Hey guys, it's Russ here back at Mike's Off-Road, and this week we're talking about more upgrades. It is that time of year again where the light is starting to dissipate sooner and the critters are coming out, so we got a lot of customers, a lot of requests to upgrade the front protection and lighting options on everybody's truck. So today we have a late model 2017 Super Duty that we're gonna put a front and rear rough country bumper on and add some lighting to that as well. And behind you over here we have a mid 2013 model F-150 that we're gonna put a Fab Fours bumper on with a light bar as well. We're also gonna add some lighting to his rear bumper. He's already got the Fab Four Vengeance rear bumper. We're gonna add some lights to that. This is the Fab Four front bumper that we put a 20-inch Cree light bar on. This is the Black Series. This is very aesthetically appealing because his whole truck is black and it matches the whole outline of it. There's not a lot of chrome and gaudiness and flashiness, but if you want that, we can do that for you too. Today, this customer chose to go with the rough country bumpers. In my opinion, they all do well. The rough country bumpers, they don't have the tubular grill protection on them, but they're still gonna do what they're intended to do, and that is protect you in the case of you meeting a critter unexpectedly. These bumpers are awesome. They come with tons of ability to add lights or any other accessories you want to put on these. And we are going to do that. We're going to put external fog lights. We're going to do a light bar on this one. Also the Black Series from Rough Country as well. That's a great light and a great price point as well. If you're looking for light bars, we like them a lot. Our range of bumpers, you guys have seen, we do ARB, we do Fab Fours, we do Rough Country. We've done worn bumpers, have you seen in previous videos. Just about every manufacturer out there that makes bumpers, we can get them for you. So if you guys are in the market for a bumper and to protect the front end of your vehicle and yourselves and your passengers, hit us up. We'll get you squared away with some bumpers, some lights. If you have any questions, give me or Dave a call and we'll get you squared away, get you quoted, get you on the schedule, and get you protected. Thanks guys, come back and see you soon.